city has a pulse, but Mumbai has a heartbeat. And that heartbeat is Bandra.
Once known for its sleepy calm, Bandra has now turned into a kaleidoscope of energy.
No matter how often you come here, it always feels new. Welcome to Bandra Diaries. It's now time to explore something Bandra is famous for. It's boutique shopping.
This neighborhood is full of Indian designers, quirky bags, handcrafted jewelry, sustainable fashion, and everything in between. We are at Fancy Pants Boutique, a place famous for trendy shopping beachwear.
And if you're planning a trip to Goa or any beach vacation, this is the place to buy your beachwear or trendy clothes. I like the bracelets, very pretty. Did you see these neck pieces? I love the blue hearts, really cute.
This is nice.
Very cool. See this? Does this look too big? See this?
See this? I like it.
That looks nice. The color is very pretty.
The color is nice.
I really like this top. Top gives a very good.
It's a dress.
Yeah, I've seen the top. I like
Yeah,
this
it's
skirt.
quite nice.
Very flouncy, na? Very
Very
pretty.
nice.
It's a nice fit. They look nice on wearing, and on pictures they look very good. You check out their jackets here.
But I'll buy me this, please. And this. I'll wear this in Saudi.
We think the black and white one actually looks
Damn
cute if you
cute.
just wear it with, just like shorts or pants or something. Looks very sweet.
Saudi.
For the perfect dancing.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Belly dancing.
I actually have something.
You'll
in
have
this color.
glares also,
Yeah,
right?
they have very
Show me,
nice
please.
glares. Yeah, I love their glares. I want to see their glares. That's a really inside.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Sabha, I really like these. See? These are looking really cool. I like these. Is this a blue or is this a purple? What color is this? Is this a blue or is this a purple? It's a purple color. So you can see the purple tint from there. Okay. Yeah, I like these also. See? Turn this side, but you'll reflect whatever's in front of you. Those are looking very nice. Those are looking very cute. These are your caps? You need for the beach? It looks very cool when you carry it. You need any of these tickets?
This is nice.
Tickets?
These are also nice. Yeah, now that you told me I have a nice white floral, I bought it from there only.
See, those look very nice. Those
Yeah.
know,
And
those
it has,
florals.
it's just little cold shoulder and it has sleeves still here.
So that's perfectly
Yeah.
good. That something like that. They look and a kaftan. One kaftan is a must for the beach. Like a nice proper one. A flowy one, not a stiff one. You'll have sarongs. If you just have a nice top, also you can just wear a sarong with it and make it look beachy. Yeah.
they have jewelry, and they have bags also. So don't forget to come here.
So how are the sales and all going here?
It's going very well.
I see it always crowded and packed whenever we look at it down the road.
And you got really nice stuff here.
Thank you.
Very trendy and very in.
Thank you.
Thank you so
very
much.
much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
After all that walking, it's time to relax. And what better place than Eddie's?
Eddie's isn't just a restaurant, it's a mood, a shared heartbeat.
Here, the night belongs to laughter. So, what do you like about Eddie's?
Actually, I mostly like the ambience.
Okay.
Quite a low-key vibe. Yeah.
Which drink or which dish? What do you like? Your favorite?
I mostly these two drinks. So, Bira White and Budweiser.
Okay, now let's start with some fun questions. All right. Are you guys dating?
Currently not.
No? You're a single.
Yeah.
Why aren't you on any dating app?
Well, I'm on
Hint. You find love there.
Or it's just time pass.
It's time pass.
It depends on the person. I was on Hinge and
Bad experience.
two of my exes were on Hinge. Like I met them on Hinge.
So you meet marriage material people or you meet like fun people there?
Fun,
Fun,
obviously.
okay. So what's your take on women taking advantage of the law that has been framed to protect them?
Like the rape laws.
Like,
Do you
like,
think
like
women
rape laws,
misuse
like
them?
today if somebody's going out for a date with you and then tomorrow you know, God forbid, that person files a case on you. So what's your take on that?
All women are different.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, not all women are the same person.
Yeah.
Some are good, some are bad. It depends on the
Person basically.
Yeah, it
person to
depends
person.
on the person.
Yeah, yeah.
So, we can't judge by them like all women are same.
Do you think that women are taking advantage
Yeah.
of the law?
In today's generation, I think yes.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, they are.
Fake
I think men are at a
feminism.
disadvantage
Feminism
right
and
now.
all, yeah,
feminism.
Take feminism and all, yeah.
What is the most stupid thing you've ever done?
Drunk and gone to college.
Heartbroken.
No, it was not.
But do you think it's easy to find love these days?
No, I mean it's not that easy, but you need to know the person first. Take the next step.
Okay, so physical attraction or emotional connection?
Emotional connection. And
Emotional.
Femininity is gone, you feel?
It's not gone.
It's still that.
But do you think they've become gold diggers and they're looking for the best option?
Everyone is looking for the best option at this point.
Yeah, men, women both. Actually, even men can be gold diggers. Why not? Right?
It's true.
True?
Depends on the person. Like I'm quite social, so like I've been listening to stories of my female friends, like who are elder to me, and like in their case, their way of finding love and my way of finding love is quite different.
Do you think it's possible to love two people at one time? No?
It is possible.
It is possible.
It is possible,
Okay.
but
Again, it depends.
yeah.
How far would you all go on your first date?
Or will you all kiss on your first date?
No, I think second or third.
What if
Based
the
on our
woman is
body.
ready
You have
for
kiss
it?
on your first date?
But like, I would like depends on the situation for how long you guys are talking, like the emotional connection you have.
So you mean even before you kiss, you need to have an emotional connection? Okay, so you're still old school,
Yeah.
very
So what
much.
do you all think, with heart or your head?
Both.
Both.
We are signing off from Eddie's tonight.
See you in the next episode only on Bandra Diamond.